Meaning of electrify.
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 Electrify. Electrify means to supply with electricity or to give a shock or thrill to someone. When something is electrified, it is connected to a source of electricity and can then function using electrical power. This can include lighting, heating, or powering electronic devices. Electrification has transformed the way we live, work, and communicate by providing a reliable and efficient source of energy. Additionally, when people use the term electrifying to describe something, they mean that it is exciting, thrilling, and leaves a lasting impression on them.